We look at another example, example 4, and here we are told that in a triangle PQR, the ratio P to Q to R equal to root 3 ratio 1 ratio 1. And we have to calculate the ratio of the angle P to angle Q to angle R in its simplest form. Our solution, we need to sketch a triangle, and here the ratio is 1k. If the ratio is 1, then let's take the value as 1k, another 1k, and then root 3k, because at root 3 to 1 is a ratio. The actual value we multiply by variable, say k, to give out the actual value, because it was reduced to the its lowest term. That is why you have root 3 to 1. Assuming that we multiply that by a factor k, which gives us the actual length of the dimensions of the triangle, we will have something like this: 1k into 1k into root 3k, or rather root 3k into 1k into 1k. Now, this is our angle. This is angle P, and then this is your Q, and then this is your R, because root 3k is opposite angle P. With this one, we are going to calculate the ratio of angle P, Q, and R. Starting with P, we can take our cos P to be equal to 1k squared plus 1k squared, and then minus root 3 times k all squared. Everything will be divided by 2 times 1k times 1k. That is the application of the cosine rule or formula. Now we will simplify this to become k squared plus k squared, and this is minus root 3 squared is 3, and that is also k squared. Everything here all over 2 times k is 2k squared. Furthermore, we have this as 2k squared minus 3k squared. Everything here will be divided by 2k squared. Now going further, if you subtract this, you have a minus k squared all over 2k squared. And the result of this, k squared will cancel k squared, we have minus 1 all over 2, and that is minus 0.5. Okay, minus 0.5. Then we can find our P without the negative sign, cos inverse of 0.5, and of course that will be equal to how many degrees? 60 degrees. We know that from special angles that we have treated formally. Now with this one, we also realize that both the cos or cosine is negative in the second and the third quadrant. The third quadrant. We will now consider the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, we have our P to be equal to 180 minus 60, and that will give us 120 degrees. 120 degrees.